So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll learn about how to find a pair with some key in an array. That array can be sorted, unsorted, doesn't matter. Right now we'll be learning about unsorted array. And the one condition that we should follow, there should be no duplicates, right? So let me write the topic first. Find pair some key. Let me create that array. So that should be an array. Array will contain about 10 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this will be 10. So the values should be 6, 3, 8, 10, 16, 7, 5, 2, 9, 14. Okay, my bad. We won't be using this unnecessary. Okay, now what we will do, we have to find a pair of elements whose sum is equal to, let's suppose that we are given with the 10th. So we need to find, let's suppose this is k, right? And let's suppose that how you can use a brute force approach, but this is also a type of brute force approach. We'll use two pointer approach, which is I and G, right? I and G. So this way here we'll be using two for loops. So what we'll do, we'll keep I pointer here on the 0th index. G will keep on finding the element which makes sum equal to 10. Now how will we do that? What element will J find? So what we can do, we can make sure to find the element like 10 minus E of whatever I index is. Right now it's 0, right? So let's suppose E is 0. E0 would be 10 minus 6. It needs to find 4, right? The value is 6. So 10 minus 6 would be what, 4? So J needs to find 4. If it finds 4, that is a pair and we can print it. Is there 4 here? It will traverse through the whole array and we'll check if any element matches with the current value that we have, we need, which is 4. It does not. There is no such pair. I will move to 3. Then again we will do 10 minus 3, which will be around 7. It will keep on finding. Then J will find 7, right? 7 is there. So it will create an pair. So we can print 3, 7. 3, 7 makes sum equal to 10. Now I will move to 8. 10 minus 8 would be around 2. So it will keep on finding 2. 2 is there. So 8 and 2 is also a pair. Okay, which creates a sum equal to 10. I will move to this 10. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. 0 is, J will again find if there is 0 value anywhere. It is not. It's not a pair. Then 10 minus 16, which will be around minus 6. Minus 6 is not there. And then I will be here at 7. So 10 minus 7 would be around 3. Is 3 there? 3 is also not there. Then again 5. So 10 minus 5 would be around what? 5. 5 is there. It's not. 10 minus 2 would be around 8. 8 is there. 8 is also not there. 10 minus 9 would be around 1. 1 is there. 1 is also not there. 10 minus 14. Okay. So at the last index, it will automatically stop the loop. So what would be the time complexity for this? As we are using two pointer approach, it will always be of n square. Right. So it will be n square because we are using two loops, right? Now the logic would be, let me just write the logic here. So we'll be using for loop. I will start from 0. I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Then we'll use again one more for loop, which will have G. G will start from I plus 1, G less than n, and G plus plus. Okay. If A of I plus E of G makes a pair equals to K. K is what? The sum that is given. We'll print it. We'll print it, right? So we'll print it. What we'll print? We'll print A of I, comma A of J, comma K. This is the sum. So these two pairs makes this sum. You can format it according to the strings. I'm just writing it like this. This is the first method, right? Of finding a pair with some key. Now what is the second method? Second method, you all know what we are using till now, which is hash map midset, right? Let me copy this array again. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll use the largest value and create a hash map of that size. So let's suppose that we create a size of down 14 or 16. So it should have 16 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Initial value should be 0 for each of them. Okay, now what we'll do, our simple approach, which is using a for loop. Using a for loop, we will first update this hash map, so everything will get updated. So first we'll fill the hash map. So 6 will be updated to 1, 3 will be updated to 1, 8 will be updated to 1, 10, 16, 7, 5, 2, 9 and 14. These all elements would be updated. Now what we can do now, we will traverse through this array, which is A, this is H. We will traverse through this array, and if h of k is what? K is the sum that we need to find, which is 10, right? So if h of k minus a of I, which is the element k minus 6, is not equal to 0, then we will print that element. Okay, so what is happening here? What we are doing, if in H we can find the element that we need to have for having the sum total equal to k, which is 10, if that is there in the hash map, okay, this will be array, bad. If it is there in the hash map or bit set, then we can make sure that the pair is possible and it is present. So what we will print? We will print e of I, k minus e of I, the missing value, and k. We will print it. Okay. And what we will do after this if condition, we will make sure that h of e of I is plus plus. We can simultaneously update it. So there is a for loop, which I will start from 0, I less than n, plus plus. So what we'll do here, see what we are doing now, we are having this if condition, of course it is there, but we are also simultaneously updating e of I plus plus. So we don't need to create another loop to update these things, right? So we are updating it in the same loop. We are not using an extra loop. So our time complexity would be big of n, which will be faster. Previous one was what? Big of n square, right? Here the time complexity was big of n square. We optimized it using hash map. So using this for loop, we are also updating these hash values if pair is found or not, depending on that. Okay, and we are simultaneously updating it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.